Hi friends, welcome to Crackie's video series. Today we are going to discuss the important geography questions for CMAT and TISNET. For more video contents, please do like, share and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more video updates. First question. The main gases present in the sun are? The main gases present in the sun are both A and B, both hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen is present. Hydrogen constitutes 73% of the total gases. Helium constitutes 25% of total gases, and small amounts of carbon, oxygen and nitrogen are present. They constitute 2% of total gases. Next question. The biggest and smallest planets of solar system are? The biggest and smallest planets of solar system are Jupiter and Mercury. The size sequence to the biggest to smallest are: Jupiter is greater than in terms of size, Saturn, next is Uranus, next is Neptune, next is Earth, next is Venus, next is Mars, and the last is Mercury. And their distance from the sun is like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Next question. Study of moon is called as? Study of moon is called as selenology. Seismology is study of earthquakes. Cosmology is study of universe. Paleontology is study of history of life on earth as based on fossils. Next question. Himalayas is the example of which type of mountains? Himalayas is the example of fold mountains. Example of block mountains is Vindhyachal and Satpura ranges. Example of residual mountains is Aravalli, Nilgiri, and example of accumulated mountains are sand dunes. These are formed due to accumulation of sand, soil, rocks, lava, etc. Next question. A shallow lake is formed between the sand and the sea coast. What is it called? It is called as lagoon. Such lake is called as Kayal in Kerala. Next question. Which soil is unsuitable for cultivation? Laterite soils are unsuitable for cultivation because these are acidic in nature and they does not retain moisture. Alluvial soils covers 40% of land in India. Wheat, rice, millets are grown in red soil and black soil is ideal for cotton. Next question. Who is considered as the father of Green Revolution in India? M. Swaminathan is called as father of Green Revolution in India. Dr. Verghese Kurien is called as father of White Revolution in India. And Hiralal Chowdhury is father of Blue Revolution in India. This is M.S. Swaminathan. Next question. What is the capital city of Nepal? The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. Next question. Brihadeshwara temple is located in which state of India? Brihadeshwara temple is located in Tamil Nadu of India. It is located in Tanjavur of Tamil Nadu. It is also known as Rajarajeswaram or Peruvudayar Kovil. Its architecture is Dravidian architecture and it was built under Rajaraja Chola. Next question. Old name of Sri Lanka is? Old name of Sri Lanka is Ceylon. Calicut is the old name of Kozhikode. Benares is the old name of Varanasi or Kasi. Nippon is the old name of Japan. Next question. Pushkar Lake is located in which state of India? Pushkar Lake is located in Rajasthan state of India. It is located in Ajmer district of Rajasthan. Meda are the group of tribes found in which state of India? These type of tribes are found in Karnataka state of India, mostly in Dakshina Karnataka. Next question. A line on the map connecting two points having same duration of sunlight is called, it is called as isohel. Isobath is a line of equal depth in sea. Next question. The position of Earth in its orbit or any other heavenly body nearest to the Sun is called as perihelion and farthest to the Sun is called as aphelion. Next question. India is located in which hemisphere? India is located in northern hemisphere. Kiribati Islands are situated within 4 hemispheres. Next question. Majuli Island is located in which state of India? It is located in Assam state of India. It is a river island in Brahmaputra river. Friends, CrackU is providing CMAT previous papers. Please do log in into our website to download those papers for your practice. Largest freshwater lake in India. Largest freshwater lake in India is Ular Lake. It lies in Kashmir Valley. Next question. Which is the largest landlocked country in the world? The largest landlocked country in the world is Kazakhstan. It is bordered by Russia, China, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan. Next question. The limit beyond which the stars suffer internal collapse is called the Chandrasekhar limit. The river Son is a tributary of which of the following rivers? It is a tributary of Ganga river. The McMahon line marks the boundary between India and China. The line that marks boundary between India and Afghanistan is Durand line. Next question. Which country earned the title the Queen of Seas? France earned the title the Queen of Seas. Zawar mine in Udaipur is famous for? It is famous for zinc. It is located 40 km south of Udaipur in state of Rajasthan. Next question. Piece of land surrounded by water on 3 sides is known as? It is known as peninsula. Strait is a narrow passage of water connecting two seas or two other large areas of water. Lagoon is a shallow body of water separated from a larger body of water by barrier islands or barrier peninsula. Bay is a broad inlet of sea where land curves inwards. Next question. Which among the following is not a characteristic of black soil? It has low water retaining capacity. This is not the characteristic of black soil. Black soil is best soil for cotton cultivation. It is also called as cotton soil. It is mostly found in interior parts of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh. Its texture is clayey. It is rich in iron, lime and magnesium. Next question. The Kaveri river basin falls in how many states of India? It falls in 3 states of India and 1 union territory. Those 3 states are Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala. The union territory is Pondicherry. Next question. 11-degree channel divides which of the following group of islands? It divides Amini and Kannanur group of islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are divided by 10-degree channel. Maldives and Lakshadweep are divided by 8-degree channel, and Minicoy and Lakshadweep are divided by 9-degree channel. Next question. Which river is known as handmaid of Narmada, or it is also called as twin of Narmada? Tapti river is also called as handmaid of Narmada or twin of Narmada. It originates near Multai Reserve forest in Madhya Pradesh. Next question. The Valley of Flowers National Park is located in? The Valley of Flowers National Park is located in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is also called as Dev Bhumi, the land of gods. Next. Which state in India is also known as Spice Garden of India? Kerala is also known as Spice Garden of India. The major locations in Kerala where we find most of the spices is Idukki and Wayanad. Crackyo is providing 5 latest pattern CMAT mocks for Rs 299. You can purchase these mocks for your better practice. Tsunami is caused by underwater volcanic activity. Next question. Which one of the following is the brightest star in Orion constellation? Rigel is the brightest star in Orion constellation. It is located in Hunter's Leg. It is 7th brightest star in the sky. And the 3rd brightest star in the constellation is Bellatrix. Next question. The word blood moon is used for? The word blood moon is used for lunar eclipse. Dash is the hottest planet in the solar system. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Don't confuse that it would be Mercury, it is Venus. Where is the Bandipur National Park located? The Bandipur National Park is located in Karnataka. Where is Godavari River born? Godavari River is born in Maharashtra. Timbakeshwar in Nasik of Maharashtra. It ends to Bay of Bengal. Next question. Which layer of atmosphere is closest to the earth? Troposphere is closest to the earth. Next question. What is the time difference between Indian Standard Time and Greenwich Mean Time? It is 5 hours 30 minutes. Time taken by the sunlight to reach earth is? Time taken by the sunlight to reach earth is 8 minutes 20 seconds. Next question. Which city is known as Cotton Polis of India? Mumbai is known as Cotton Polis of India. River Indus originates from? River Indus originates from Tibet. Indus is one of the main rivers of Indo-Gangetic Plain. It flows through China, India and Pakistan. Some of its tributaries are Chenab, Sutlej, Jhelum, Ravi. Crack is providing TISNET previous papers. Please do visit our website and download them for your further practice. Pong Dam is constructed on which river? Pong Dam is constructed on Beas River. This dam is situated in Himachal Pradesh. Next question. Lambadi dance is a folk dance form of which state of India? It is the folk dance form of Telangana state of India. What is the state flower of Uttarakhand? The state flower of Uttarakhand is Brahma Kamal. Katarani rice is the GI tag of which state of India? It is the GI tag of Bihar state of India. The other GI tags of Bihar is Jardalu mango and Magahi pan. Next question. Salal Hydroelectric Power Station is located in which state of India? It is located in Jammu Kashmir state of India on Chenab river. Next question. Which state of India is called as land of temples? Tamil Nadu is called as land of temples. It has more than 30,000 temples with different style of construction belonging to different dynasties. What is the capital of Sikkim? The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. Dispur is the capital city of Assam. Shillong is the capital city of Meghalaya. Itanagar is the capital city of Arunachal Pradesh. Next question. The coast that belongs to Kerala is called as? The coast that belongs to Kerala is Malabar coast. Nanda Devi peak is located in which state of India? Nanda Devi peak is located in Uttarakhand state of India. It is located in Chamoli district. Crack is providing 5 latest patent TISNET mocks for ₹299. Please do visit our website and enroll for those mocks for your better practice. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on the video and hit the bell icon for the daily latest updates. Thank you.